All of these nice colorful capsules here represent a great innovation from Gardiner. They've designed a capsule system to be able to offer you options for your water-fed sprayers and your attachments and how the water comes out of your brush. The standard is the black. You can see how they easily insert, lock into place using the Gardiner widget. Allows you to be able to change this out on a job site. So let's say you start to encounter a glass where you have more of the hydrophobic glass. You'll be able to use the red, insert that in there, tighten it into place, simply attach the back of the brush via the hose to your pole. The sockets, the capsules that are available are the more common black, then the finer pencils in the blue, and the largest pencils in the green, and then we have the red and the gray fans. All of these are going to make you more proficient out on the job and allow you to solve some extra challenges. Check them out at our website, DetroitSponge.com.